Welcome back, my Pokemon people. This is Heatchar, and you're watching Heatchar. Today we're going to do some Forbidden Light packs. Getting pretty excited. Jump right into these. Got our trusty sleeves, just in case we pull something fantastic. Picked up something really cool this weekend. As you all saw, I'm sure. If you haven't seen it, go right on over and check out that video. It'd be Monday's video. And I got a code card at the end for you. So stay tuned. Well, it might not be at the end. It might be somewhere in the middle. Just keep you guessing. But let's get this on the road here. We got three pack boosters. I just grabbed some stacks out of what I had. Hopefully we get something good. Got our little promo there. And an energy. Oh, and look, it's Pikachu's. Let's put it down there. Keep him going. Let's see. Finnegan. And yeah, nothing. Not even a rare. Ugh, really hate when that happens. Oh, we'll save that one. Oh, I dropped one. There's some pretty neat pack art with our Forbidden Light. I just stand them up there. Okay. Froggy, Magneton, and Chancer. Still, we've opened a lot of these this week and have not got anything. So something good is coming, guys. I give it to you real. I'm not just going to film if I get good pulls or not good pulls. I want you to see what's really in this stuff. Some people don't do that, and I just think that's kind of rude. I want you to know the truth. I want you to know exactly what is in these packs. Whether it be the Dollar Tree packs, packs from Walmart, packs from Target, wherever have you. I want you to know what is actually there. I think we have 4 different pack arts going on with this booster pack deal here. Let's get rid of that. Magnemite, Execute, and Judge. One uncommon. Still no rares or ultra rares, etc. Getting a little discouraged, but it'll be alright, guys. It'll be alright. Really hope we get something good soon. Like we deserve it, right? Something's got to be in there. No, I bet. It's actually really cute. Like, I had a hard time the first time I seen this card to know if these were the eyes or these were the eyes, but it's these. And a Gibble. Still, look at that. Just, I don't know what's going on, guys. Like, usually these things are on fire. Like, you can't get enough pulls out of them. Like, you just can't. And I don't know what's going on. Maybe their next shipment, I'll just go in and buy their whole box. That would be nice. We'll see what the heck is going on. Got a fire energy. A Franken. Ooh, a reverse hollow Pangora. Nice. At least we got a little something something there, guys. Let's sleeve that up. That's not too bad. Not too bad. Hopefully we get something good here. Like, I really want to see something good, guys. Like, you don't even know. Alright. Just pull that out of there. Those are, I always have trouble opening those. I don't know about you guys. Like the Dollar Tree packs, they just rip right open. I don't know. Guess you get what you pay for $1, huh? So, I didn't worry about a card trick or anything. Figure we just do whatever. We got Judge, Fire Energy, Magnemite, Sylveon. Ooh. Our Sylveon, the only thing, which we already have this, if you've seen from one of our other videos, so now we have 2 of these. Maybe I'll give one of those away in the giveaway. I don't know. I have a really cool giveaway coming up, guys. Like, not even kidding you. It's going to be awesome. So, I got a stack of code cards over here. Like, I will just pick one random out of there and give you. Actually, let's do that real quick. There you go. And I think this is going to be our last pack. Oh, we did forget to throw a different pack art up there, didn't I? There we go. Where's that last pack art? Got a Greninja! It'd be cool to pull Greninja EX out of here. I'd be like, woo, 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 woo. Woo, woo. As I like to say. Alright. Armena, Drew Spider, and a full BB. Nothing, guys. Well, sometimes that's just the way it works. You just don't get a lot of good stuff. Next time I go into Dollar Tree, I'm just going to grab a handful and go. Usually I kind of sit there and I feel them. I'm like, oh, this one feels lucky. This one feels lucky. It's not working. So, next time we're just going to go grab a stack and be like, I'm going to pay for these. So, I guess until next time, guys, keep training them, keep catching them, and I'll see you in the next video.